Hello everyone, it's Keesje. Welcome back. This is another video about dot painting, and a few things happened that I'm now doing differently than the last video. I'm not using the crochet hooks anymore. I find that I really like my pencils. And also I found out that I would need to do a test dot and then dot on my project, because the first time a tool is inserted in a paint, it doesn't pick up as much paint. So when you make your initial dot, it has a certain size. But say if you use like a number 7 and I would need to go all around, the first dot would be smaller than the rest of the dots. So that's one of the things. So when I was finishing the other ones up, I don't know if you remember that I showed you this one and it was very shiny, and I used this for it. Now I probably applied this one thick coat, and the brush had distinguished bristles, so it is kind of streaked. And for the second set that I did, I've used, and for this project I use a much softer brush and a very thin coat, and it is not near as shiny and hardly any streaks. There's still some streaking. I don't think you can ever get away with not having any streaks, but they're not as profound as the one on this project. So I am continuing with finishing my projects with this. And I apply a thin piece of cork on the back, and it is slightly smaller than the project. And this is how I finished them off. So I was going to do some dot painting. I've done this one, and it is quite busy, but I'm going to make 3 more to be accompanied by this one. Here I am probably going to follow the curves, and I found a picture on Pinterest that I'm somewhat going to follow, but we'll see. And most of it will be in fast mode, because I don't think you want to see me dot for hours on end. Okay. See if I can remove that without... There. not bad at all. So that was number 6 is too much. Fixing it because I also want another light around it, and I would have to make sure that I have room for that. Alright, all fixed up. Oh, and gotta put paint on there. Just so you know, this does take a little bit of time before I know what to do next. So I'll be looking at it and then thinking, what shall I do next? And just to see how it flows with the whole. And now I'm letting this dry until tomorrow, when I will erasing everything and cleaning it up and probably putting some extra dots on top. I've been a little bit more dotting inside a dot, so I will do a few more and then I will consider this done. So this is it. I'm gonna let this dry, finish this off, and then I finished another coaster. And I'm not sure if I showed you this one before, but now I have 2 in the blue set, and I will make 2 more for a set of 4. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.